Let's learn how to view your YouTube watch history on both iPhone and Android devices. If you want to revisit a video you saw but can't quite remember the title, then there are two different ways of doing it. So just make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll also show you how you can delete specific videos from your YouTube watch history. We'll open our YouTube mobile app, and you want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. So after that, make sure that you are logged into the account on which you want to view your watch history. We will then tap on this You section, where we can see our YouTube channel profile picture, and you will have the History section right under your channel name. If you want to see the whole history list, tap on the View All option right here, and that's going to open our YouTube watch history, where you will be able to see all of the different videos that you had watched with this specific YouTube account. Another way that we can find and view our YouTube watch history is by going back to the You section, and then open the app settings by clicking on this little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. That's going to open the YouTube settings, where we have to click on this option called Your Data in YouTube. And we'll get to another page in the app where we can see all of the different data and history options related to our YouTube account, including the watch and search history options. Let's scroll down a little bit until you see this YouTube watch history section, and that's just what we need. If we want to view the whole list and maybe delete the watch history, we want to tap on the Manage Your YouTube Watch History option. That's going to open the whole list of videos that we had watched in the past, and you can turn off the watch history from this page if you want to, or you can click on the little X option next to a video if you want to remove that video from your watch history, so no one will be able to see that you had watched this specific video. You can clear the videos one by one, or you can easily delete the whole watch history, and I have a separate tutorial on that, and I'll leave the video link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.